Hi everyone. I would like to thank Atlas for being part of my successful journey of being a licensed architect. Especially na nag-start ako mag-review while working. Yung schedule nila is naging flexible para dun sa schedule din ng work ko, which is uh, night time. So, especially yung mga mentors din, yung lessons na kaya nilang i-compress yung worth 5 plus years of lectures into 6 months, and dun sa tips nila for being successful sa pagte-take ng exam ay nagamit ko rin, at malaking factor yung tips and advice nila more than the lectures itself. Kasi syempre hindi naman lahat ng lectures lalabas sa exam, pero yung lessons nila as a mentor, yun yung nagamit namin and na-apply dun sa mismong exam. And yun lang. Thank you again, Atlas, for being part of our journey of becoming a licensed architect. Thank you.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.